Alright, so here we go. We've got the 48-hour survival kit purchased in the mid-90s. I don't see a date stamp anywhere on the outside. Like I said in the short video, my brother purchased this, and he even put an electrical tape band with a penny so he would have some way to open it. I'm curious to see what's in here. I'm wondering if I can reuse this tin for anything once we're finished up. Okay, so it looks like it comes in a space blanket. Maybe that's all that's in here. Yeah, I believe that's what it is, just one of the emergency blankets. Looks like potentially candy. This is all soaked through. It's the checklist, but it's all stuck together from whatever that is. Looks like a tea light candle. More of these things. I don't know if this is supposed to be a poncho. Smells like bouillon. A shoelace. Peppermints that have discolored. Matches. Part of a lead pencil. Surveyor's twine. Face soap. Another piece of melting candy. Salt. Razor blade with a covering. Spool of wire. High quality fishing kit. Nice little, tiny little hook. And I don't know how much line that is. Safety pin. And a very small needle. Two Band-Aids. Aspirin that expires in 2003. Or actually it's non-aspirin. Hand wipe. Foil. Triple antibiotic. And a napkin stapled together. So there's probably, and there's some grime left down in this thing. There's probably a few things that could be used in here. The old story behind these was if you unpacked them, you couldn't repack them. Now whether or not that's true, yeah, it remains to be seen. I'll get this and try to pack it back up. I think everything will fit because some of this is going to be disposed of. Anyway, I thought that was interesting to finally open this up after 20 plus years. A 48-hour emergency survival kit. If you see any of these around, crack them open. Scavenge what you can and use it in your other kits. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoy what we're doing, consider giving us a subscribe and a thumbs up. Okay, so we got this thing repackaged. All but the things I'm gonna discard, and actually I forgot the soap. May have been why I went back together so easily. Try it one more time. Okay, so it is back together. It can be repackaged, and you can take what's in there out and maybe put your own stuff in. It is kind of a large size item in this tin, but it may work for you.